Guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about the one-liner questions of SSC CGL, that is, which are very useful for all concerning to the central and defense examinations. This is part 58 guys. Please have a look up to 57. You will find all the content of previous year question papers. Let us see what exactly we have. The Indus Valley civilization that belongs to the Chalcolithic age. Please remember, whatever the Indus Valley civilization that belongs to the age that is Chalcolithic. The Roman Polanski is a film acting. As you can see, he is the guy Roman Polanski. He is concerning to film acting. So you may be asked, he is concerning to what? That is, he is concerning to the acting in the films. The movie Titanic has been directed by whom? The director is James Cameron was the director of the Titanic movie. In that, the ship is sunk and the heroine will be survived by the hero. Here we have the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. As you can see, it is one sentence in which you will find from the A to Z, you will find the letters. It contains all the letters of the alphabet from A to Z. The universal recipient in blood transfusion belongs to, we knew that universal donor is O, universal recipient is AB. Next we have the international date line that passes through which strait? That passes through Bering Strait. Through this Bering Strait, the international date line pass through. Now we know that whatever the writs we have, mandamus, habeas corpus, this is one thing. Mandamus is to command a person to do that which is his duty, that is mandamus. So is the command a person to do that what he is duty to do. The Nagarjuna Sagar project, which is located in which place? That is located on the river Krishna in Andhra Pradesh. The earliest evidence of the practice of sati is available in Iran inscription. As you can see how exactly the Iran inscription looks like. On this pillar it has been given the sati prata, whatever the concerning the details. The following states that created out of the territory earlier known as Northeast Frontier Agency, that is NIFA, that is Northeast Frontier Agency. So here Arunachal Pradesh. So the following states that created out of the territory earlier known as NIFA. So you may be asked which state is known as NIFA, that is Arunachal Pradesh is known as NIFA before. The planetary winds are not monsoons. Please remember, what are the planetary winds we have? They are not monsoons. The Charak Samhita, that is a medical encyclopedia and pharmacopoeia, which is to be remembered. Charak Samhita is the one who had written Charak Samhita. You should remember the Dhanvantri, who is famous. So it's a medical encyclopedia and pharmacopoeia. The normal way for a joint family to break up is known as disintegration. This is one type of breakup that is known as disintegration. It is one normal way for a joint family. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. More than 1000 plus videos have been given. You can directly go through whatever has been given in playlist. It has been compiled in a different playlist. Let us see what it has been given in the next slide. Mangrove forest in India are confined to deltaic coast. This is one thing. Whatever the mangrove forests in India, they are confined to deltaic coasts. The peaty soils are found mostly in which place? In Kerala region we will find maximum the peaty soils. Subhash Chandra Bose contested and won the presidential election at the sessions of Indian National Congress at which place? That is at Haripura. He had won the presidential election at the sessions of Indian National Congress, that is Subhash Chandra Bose, who is also formed Forward Bloc as well and the Azad Hind Force. If the thyroid of a newborn child is removed, it will cause what? Cretinism. This is what exactly happens. It's a lack of thyroxine from the birth. Before birth could be from the lack of thyroid gland. This is what happens to the small children. Next we have the last Mauryan ruler was overthrown by Pushyamitra Shunga was the last Mauryan ruler. The first Mauryan ruler Chandragupta Maurya. The Rajput clan of Solanki rose to power in Malwa. Please remember, whatever the Rajput clan of Solanki rose to power in Malwa region. The system of subsidiary alliance was introduced by whom? That is, Lord Wellesley was the main reason who had introduced subsidiary alliance. The civil disobedience movement was led in the northwest frontier province by Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, who is also known as Frontier Gandhi. Here, as you can see to the right side, how exactly he is standing beside Mahatma Gandhi. So, a Pushan Patan from northwest frontier province in present day, which is in Pakistan, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan had 50,000 of his non-violent followers break the salt law in Peshawar, and his supporters were fired upon by the police. The Garhwal Rifles refused to fire upon the Satyagrahis and were arrested, fined and faced life imprisonment for disobeying a direct command. This is what happens if you disobey the direct command. The second international was attended by GU. This is one thing, whatever the second international which was attended by GU. The iodization of salt is a public health measure to prevent the goiter. That is mandatory. If you want your thyroid hormone to be good, you have to consume maximum salt. The ideal example of residual mountain, the Aravalli range, which is an example of residual mountain. Besides the protein splitting enzyme pepsin, the fat splitting enzyme gastric lipase, and a considerable amount of hydrochloric acid. This is what exactly you have to remember. Hydrochloric acid is the one which is very useful for the digestion of your intestine. You can see how exactly you have the gastric juice as well as the hydrochloric acid were the main reasons. The President of India has referred the Ayodhya issue. That article is 143, which is mentioned in the Supreme Court under the article 143. The one responsible for the introduction of permanent settlement in Bengal is Lord Cornwallis. Is the one is responsible for the introduction of permanent settlement in Bengal. The combination of foods providing protein quality nearest to that meat is sprouted gram and groundnuts. This is one what you have to remember. The combination of foods providing protein quality that as much as the meat gives, that is sprouted gram and the groundnuts are the same content protein will be given. The Harappan site showing evidence of two cultural phases, Harappan and pre-Harappan, is Kalibangan. These are the sites that show the evidence of two cultural phases, Harappan as well as pre-Harappan. These two will be given by the Kalibangan. The first district in the map show that is Dakshin Kannada. Please remember, in the map it is shown the first district is, that is Dakshin Kannada was the first district which was shown in the map. The institution of Varna appeared in the Rigvedic period. We knew that the oldest Veda is Rigveda. During that period, the institution of Varna will find in that. Molds contaminated cereal and grain products, they are not fit for consumption because the presence of mycotoxin in them. Due to this mycotoxin, it is not advisable to contaminate. It is not advisable to eat and consume because of this contaminated material, that is mycotoxin. The international dateline, that is, we knew that whatever the international dateline we have, that is 180 degrees longitude. Please remember, this is the what international datelines. Greenwich Mean Time, that is 0 degree longitude. This is my mobile number, guys, 76673025. You can call me or message me if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life, guys.